Hello, this is Opinion Radar. If you've ever struggled to keep your guide rail steady while making precision cuts, you know how frustrating it can be when things shift at the worst moment. Today, we're looking at a small but mighty accessory that's designed to solve exactly that problem: the BORA Track Clamps. Priced at just $13 for a 2-pack, these compact clamps might not look like much, but they're engineered to work seamlessly with BORA's edge guide systems, giving you reliable hold-down power exactly where you need it. They're not the kind of tool that screams for attention, but once you use them, you'll notice the difference in control, consistency, and confidence during your cuts. I've been putting them to the test in real shop conditions on large panels, tricky angles, and repeat runs, and there's a lot to unpack about their design, performance, and overall value. So, let's dive into what makes these clamps stand out in a crowded field of workshop accessories. Let me tell you, if you're into woodworking, whether you're a seasoned carpenter or a weekend DIY warrior, these BORA Track clamps are a total game changer. I first picked them up when I was in the middle of a big project involving a ton of sheet goods, plywood, MDF, you name it. I already had the BORA WTX clamp edge system, which I absolutely love, but there were times when the built-in clamps just didn't cut it, literally and figuratively. I needed something more flexible, especially when working with oddly shaped panels or trying to make precise angle cuts. That's where these clamps came in. They slide right onto the edge guide rail and give you the freedom to clamp at any point along the track. The result? Rock-solid stability and dead-on accuracy, whether I'm making a straight cut or angling across a board with my circular saw. The design is clean, the mechanism is intuitive, and once you've used them once, you'll wonder how you ever worked without them. One of the standout features, for me, is how quickly these clamps lock down. The fast-acting lock nut mechanism is seriously satisfying to use. You just flip the lever, tighten with a quick twist, and it's locked in place. No wrestling with knobs or over-tightening to the point of stripping threads. And when you're done, a simple flip releases it instantly. That kind of efficiency adds up when you're in the middle of a long session in the shop. Plus, they work on both the top and bottom of the guide rail, which is something I didn't realize would matter until I actually used them. There was this one panel I needed to cut at a 45-degree angle near the edge, and the bottom mount option gave me the clearance I needed without compromising clamping power. It's those little design touches that show BORA really understands how people actually work with their tools. Now, let's talk about build quality. These are made of plastic. Yes, plastic, but don't let that fool you. It's a thick, high-impact polymer that feels durable in your hand and stands up to repeated use. I've dropped mine more than once, honestly, and they've held up just fine. The rubberized feet are another smart detail. They grip the wood firmly without slipping, even when you're pushing a saw through dense material. I've used them on both softwoods and hardwoods, and the grip remains consistent. They don't chew up the surface or leave marks, which is a big win when you're working on visible pieces. I will say, though, that they're not exactly built for rugged job site abuse. If you're expecting metal construction or something that can take a beating in a high-traffic construction environment, you might be slightly disappointed. But for the workshop, garage, or home DIY projects, they're more than up to the task. Where these clamps really shine is in versatility. I've used them not just for securing the track during cuts, but also as a stop block when making repeated cuts. Just clamp one down at the desired length, and you've got a consistent reference point every time. That saved me a ton of time when I was building cabinet sides and needed identical dimensions across multiple panels. And because they clamp securely at any angle, I was able to make beveled edges for trim work without needing a jointer or a fancy miter saw setup. I've even used them to hold down thicker stock, something I didn't expect. You just adjust the clamp height, and it accommodates materials over an inch thick without breaking a sweat. That adaptability makes them feel less like an afterthought and more like an essential extension of the entire BORA system. Now, I should be honest about one limitation. These clamps are designed specifically for BORA's WTX and NGX edge guide systems. They won't work with other brands or generic track setups. That's not a deal breaker for me. I'm already invested in the BORA ecosystem and I trust the consistency of their products. But if you're using a different guide rail, you'll need to plan accordingly. It's less of a flaw and more of a compatibility note. Also, while they're incredibly effective on flat, even surfaces, I did notice that on warped or uneven boards, the grip can sometimes be inconsistent. Nothing a little extra pressure or a second clamp can't fix, but it's worth mentioning. Overall, the pros far outweigh the cons, especially at the price point. At around $13 for a 2-pack, these clamps are an absolute steal. Think about it. For less than the cost of a decent steak dinner, you're getting a tool that improves the accuracy, speed, and flexibility of your cuts. I've used cheaper clamps in the past that stripped, slipped, or broke after a few uses. These are in a completely different league. They're thoughtfully engineered, easy to use, and solve a very real problem in track-guided cutting. If you own a BORA guide system and don't have these yet, you're missing out. I've recommended them to fellow woodworkers, and every single one came back saying the same thing. Why didn't I get these sooner? They're not flashy, they're not high-tech, but they're one of those quiet upgrades that make everything else in your shop work just a little bit better. If your workshop runs on precision, it's time to lock it down, just like these BORA Track Clamps lock to the rail. Don't let great tools slip by unnoticed. Hit like, subscribe, and join a community that values smart upgrades. Stay steady, stay accurate, and keep building with confidence, one solid clamp at a time.